Alright, quick tip time for those of you who like to do the transmission service on your 8th generation Accord 4-cylinder. I'm underneath one right now, and here is our drain bolt for our transmission. And well, you can see there's a nice access hole here, but Honda didn't do that. They put this hole over here, but you can't get to the drain bolt. And so what I do on these cars when they get older, I'll drill 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. I'll take my little Milwaukee tool and I'll just buzz it out. You don't have to be perfect, it's underneath the car. You can see I did this one right here. So we cut it out, and now we have a nice easy access point to do our transmission service. Makes it easy every time. I've done this for years and no issues cutting small holes like this. The integrity of this is still fine. I leave this little piece here so it's strong, and I cut it right as the air deflects down, and by doing that I haven't had any issues. And you know, as these things get older, they get brittle and beat up, and there's only so many times you can take this on and off before it's not going to go back on anymore, and then you're going to have to replace it. And so this will definitely prolong our little plastic piece too. So hey, if you want to make doing your transmission service easier, this is what I do. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Easy peasy.